In this tutorial, you'll be taught how to work with image lists. In the case of a new empty data pool, the image lists should be added first. We do this under the section information and then adding the map elements image list. So first we should give the list a name. After that, we'll add the images. The first image is used for a question series, so if an element within a map is linked to a series, the students get to see this image. So therefore we'll add the quiz image. The second image is displayed if the element contains a supplement in PDF format. So this could be anything like lecture slides, exercises, or a reader. Therefore, I will add an image that clearly shows that the attached supplement are the lecture slides in PDF format. The third one is used in the case of attaching a video supplement in MP4 format. So this does not work for a YouTube video because in that case a link is used. For this one I will add an image that shows that it contains a video lecture. For this course all video lectures are uploaded to YouTube, so students will access them via a link, and therefore I will use the same image for the link as for the video. It is possible to add more image lists, so let's say we want the PDF image to be different for tutorials than for lectures, because we want to indicate that the PDF contains exercises instead of lecture slides. We can simply add an image list used for the tutorials. For now we'll add this one and I will show how to use them. To do this, we have to go to the map where we want to use this image list. Before changing the image list, this is what the default one looks like. They're quite general and they can be used for anything. To add the image list, we have to edit our map. Then we press on Set Images List for elements. And we have to select the list that we want to use. I want to update the images for the lecture elements, so I will select the list that I just created. And then as a next step, I have to select all the elements that are used for lectures, which is currently only one. And if we play the map again, you will see that the images have changed. In the meantime, I will quickly add a second image list used for the tutorial elements, which are the yellow blocks, and update this one to show that the elements will have different images. But as these steps are the same as done before, I will not show this part to you. So I added the image list for the yellow blocks, and you will see that the PDF and the link images are different. They get to access the solutions via Canvas, which is a link as you will see here. And they have the exercises as a PDF format attached. So to summarize, with the use of image list, you can easily indicate to the students what each element contains without them having to click on everything. This is basically all you need to know about image lists. I would like to thank you for your attention and see you next time.